Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will show you how to disable, turn off, or mute the microphone in Windows 11. And now, let's get started. To begin, locate the Start button, usually found at the bottom of your screen. Right-click on it, and then select Settings from the context menu that appears. Once the Settings window is open, navigate to the System tab, which is listed on the left-hand side of the screen. On the right pane, you will find the Sound option. Click on Sound. Within the Sound settings, scroll down until you reach the Input section. Here, you will see your microphone listed. To mute your microphone, simply click on the microphone icon next to it. You will notice that the icon changes, indicating that your microphone is now muted. This is the quickest way to mute your microphone in Windows 11. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.